Hey, you looking for that kid? Grab those keys and come in here and I'll tell you where she is.
Ha! Nice try. I see that other wolf hiding behind the rock.
Come on. Hey, you like scotch? I got a 21-year Macallan in here. Let's have a drink.
How does a wolf get a 21-year Macallan?
It was a gift from a friend.
A writer?
Wait a minute, what's your name?
Brian Griffin?
Brian Griffin? I knew I recognized you. I read your book.
You read Faster Than the Speed of Love?
I sure did, and thanks for saying the title.
Well, maybe I will come in for a Macallan. He didn't read my book.